Ebusian for my mom, Aquaba, and found Bragana, Sam TVGH, Messer, like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime you post a video with Seria.
Abusian, and this useless NDC government, echo shame, social media activists be. Now, bear 24 hours new Mochi Abrantia, no, Nabusian for any lawyers. Ashisha, na Omu baby, NDC abayi de nakusi. Omako Yuku, Omako National Security, Blue Gate, Omako a year BNI, Omo offices, I would do a one crime. Omako major police stations, I one crime. Oma pa Abrantia no baby, so Omu baby, NDC abayi, Edena Kwakusi, and NDC abayi so tight lips, some person mo betre baby, Omo de Abrantia na Kwakusi. Now you see, more follow me on Facebook and rap. Said the name Tamakula 7 by and we make a very important post be. So why do you ambassador me beka or me catch them and say, said the name Tamakula 7 year bay. Ama NDC abine looking on popular Ghana for bufu mo pa. Oko baby and only a seman croffoka. Now because they say a dear way a be how my be moment lose super wenty. Or mobile try some mobile divert attention every so. Or mobile try some be Ghana for adwin free so now one way or mobile be Ghana for adwin free so. And it's all mobile chew be. Chese manu and simple. Ana omo kochi abranti we ye say armed personnel unidentified men or omu krokretu akese ahye max and a copy abranti. Na abranti apparently ni dinde eye girlfriend and su damoa. Or a national service personnel ewo Obuasi Municipal Assembly na nwia ana za unidentified men omu krotu ahye max ekoche no ewo adwuma mu. Na apparently ne boni a waye nyina ne say mahu sa video be a call viral. President Mahama, he was seen in the company of National Security Coordinator Razak. And President Mahama catch Razak say, me baby kuti President Mahama or say, unless, or say like I said, they have to give me 150 million. Mobeka, mo de share video no, share video no we abra. Nendi. Okay. So this is the video Abrantia no e posti ye ewo X former Twitter so ana obusa questions citizen bia bebusa e say a whole president demanded 150 million every crofo bi ho en crofo ben na o demand sika na firi omo ho en crofo ben ana opese omo fa sa sika no emma no na what is the money for? Edentina o demand this can every microphone no. We harmless questions Abranti ebusai and one NDC aban yakwa akoche no. There's a ban we there. Untimi mbusa even harmless questions. Say what is a president in class and be a twetwe aso a unni hu kwan. Eso obebusa harmless questions. Questions every citizen or poor man Ghana ye yo ebebusa untimi mbusa okobusa pe ya ba bechew. There's a freedom of speech there. It's an attack. And this is for normal weaponized security services in the court, and Mbrano against ordinary citizens. Umubusa important questions. Omopeso muhodi President Mahama to account for non-kasani actions, any in some way free and no moba. And you see, Ghana for this is the sorry state of Ghana. Say there. Yadi aposi for any national security for any timemu for ya pesi ye kan krofo anu tum NDC for kronu e koso corruption e koso abra omo boyen omo sanya boyan bra yesu enti se Mahama e bo man Ghana krono na so okoka ho asem a ye ba bechew ye besuma national security for ama omo ba bechew omo mpese obi a be ka Mahama asem Mahama, a whole president, a catcher national security coordinator, say, and Crawford, my catcher will say, I just want mommy 150 million. Ye busa questions. Oh, Mahama, oh, history did I in himself, oh, dear, chronosemo, dear, would demutin to my corruption and bribe, dear. What mu PhD? Into a branch in busa harmless questions and say, President, moment in India. Oh, catcher national security coordinator, and they say, send Crawford 150 million. Okobusa this question am about betche no. You see, sadly it will not divert public attention from said the name Tamaklu ni issue yi.
Yakubu
manage.
Yakubu must resign.
I'm an MP in Ashanti region. What's your name? Huh? Okay. You're very beautiful.
Say communication is not for everybody. Yeah, can't. People don't actually believe it. but not everyone is qualified to be a communicator. NASINDC MP, we are saying, young people have come to you, children have come to you. Uber encourage you, man. You are talking about getting married, to sexualize such a young child. Like, it makes absolutely no sense. Sa Yakubu Muhammad MP. If you voted for such a person, actually, go back for your vote. Now, as a matter of urgency, a Speaker of Parliament and the authorities that be Ministry of Children and Gender, you must move and make sure says our MP is removed from office. If he himself, even somebody he would resign to show remorse. And yes, about show remorse, you first resign. You resign, then it shows that you have indeed regretted, because you are not qualified to be called an honorable member of parliament. When you're qualified, Senkola, children like this, you are already sexualizing them, man. And yeah, because already there's an existing video, says to be buyer. Now another NDC MP. He was trying to explain. I think commentaries. And then this one happens again. Tell this nigga must resign. Yakubu, you must resign. Wait, Yakubu must resign as a matter of urgency. And yes, sir, we will start writing petitions. And that girl, you have to take her through counseling already, because she's traumatized. Very much traumatized. It's so appalling. Oh, Ghana.
Where sad breaking news, Ebusia. As I'm an answer from Hoya Ghana Niam. As I said, what do we say good tea? Now, we charge you. Because our who, baby, a Ghana, Tetia Quaco Druno. A beyond repairs. Said in Nam Tamaklu, and this Mamia or Bo Ghana Corono, area Ghana Sika 70 million Ghana cedis near Chile, I jailing in 10 years. And this for a sign so a come hunty and ne. Omo de na kwa kujina court ama court ejai no. Court acquitted a discharge maame no. And acquitted and discharge no. Etere say in future obi ani wo betimi assign dem maame no akwa kujina court. E was asem na hu si endi na asem. Enti maame no sika na wo wiae no wafa ne ho adi. Ye jai no forever and ever asem no esi obi ani wo betimi assign dem na court biem. Ye jai no. And she's not the only person NDC for ba bem well Ghana krono omejai no mubekaya Seidu Agongo ene Dr. Opuni omo bo Ghana krono wo cocoa board NDC for ba ye ano mo be file nolly prosecutor chese omo prosecute omo piem no omujai omo mubekaya former finance minister Dr. Kwamina Dufuo Oria Ghana sika in excess of 6 billion Ghana cedis 6 billion Ghana cedis ni echiri onu aje atum ya wo ho a NDC fui a file only prosecutor adenya Dr. Kwamina Dufuo aje atum se obetua sika ne mu 40% obi a wabo Ghana krono 60 billion no yesi obetua mu 40% nti ye gyan ye prosecute ne biem ye ngi sika na aka no so ma Ghana me ne wo kase sika no ntua e ba ye gyan no enyo no nko a the current governor of Bank of Ghana Dr. Addison sika papa yi ema Ghana hwere ye ono so no gina court NDC for ba omo file no prosecutor omo prosecute ne biem ana omo asia man appointment aka ho Amo Ababe, governor of Bank of Ghana. Mobe Kainswa, Atofos and currently, or ye a finance minister. On name Aquaya, on a national security, almost one more Ghana Chronos or Mokakoto, a ye ambulance saba, on also a mobile, no prosecutor. Cases are who do be ene said in Nam Tamaklu, Diana Babecam. Obi a wabo Ghana Chrono 70 million near Chili. Ye Jino, Mobekaya said in Nam Tamaklu. No ye CEO for Maslock under Mahama ne first term. Na sika bia ebefa ne nsem sika na nka ese wole kobua kantamanto traders o mo niema hye ya no mani atutu aka o mo nsem maame ni wie sika no eni sika foforo bebre bi maame ni wie sika ne die NPP e ba ba mu ne ye audit ne hunu se maame no wadi Ghana fo dwiri mu abo Ghana fo kro no ane ye ni ko gina court na court procedures ne koso no ana maame agye ɛyɛ permission free court sɛ ɔba US yase aba abɛgye ayarehwɛ ana court no grante no ɔba US wɔn aba Ghana biem na odwane yɛ obi ahunu baabi a wɔkɔhyɛ yɛ ana court case no na egusu ɛkɔ so nti court no ebu anefo ana court no jailing in absentia for 10 years na ne court wɔ ne court wɔ nom na ne lawyers wɔ home ana jailing in 10 years NPP aban file red alert Interpol sɛ baabi ebehunu wɔ wiase bia yɛmfa maame ne mbra Ghana na on be face ɛyɛ ne sentence ana NPP fi abamu a couple of months ago ana the ambassador for Ghana in US ebeka say US aban ache ɛyɛ maame said na mtamaklu Ghana fo yɛ nyina yɛ negye sɛ maame no kro no a wabɔ Ghana ɛdɛm a wadi Ghana dwirim a wadi Ghana aboro a wabɔ Ghana yɛ ba betwe na so mo bekaya a couple of weeks ago ana maame ne bedru Ghana obedru Ghana pɛ no yehunu sɛ NDC for no mo pɛ so mo gyae maame no because maame ne bedru Ghana o man fa na nko nsan mo prison straight o omo de ne ko share luxurious apartment bi ma maame ne chile wadam papa paso air condition e bono anopa onum tii papa ene nkosia kese aduane a wofufu ama no enumre ne ya no am papa bi ene enam akese ama no maame no enjoy omo afa na anko ankoto nsa wamu prison until say some of us ye kaseti aye Ghana for cassette and send NDC for no and then a cotton sa woman prison for just 3 weeks. Before some of them never no normal file appeal case or appeals court. And then a court no edit the decision aba or the judgment aba. And 3 judges and a 3 assembly so. Judges me and sending in SMA no or my giant uncle fee. Uncle fee no uncle didi adanya prosecution no and me and prove your case beyond reasonable doubt. NDC Attorney General Dominic Ayeni and the Deputy Justice Remsai and Timian proof case no beyond reasonable doubt in the court on say we giant and yenim say deliberate intentional NDC for no at the get go no mo person mo jai maame no fi say oye NDC ni krono a wabo Ghana ne de inform ho nti ene ye maame no mo kantamanto a na nkese se maame di sika ne komom no mutimi original mo na so omo niema ahye omo adwapade a wo ma hwere omo life investment a omo lusu omutimi recover kakra ene sa ye maame no omo bra ye kwa wo mo a wo mo fa mu wu ye because say said na mtamakro edi omo sika omo a they've gone into poverty, abject poverty. Wo hia buburo abom because say the name tamaklo edi omusika. Omo ame no kase yale a oku a enku aba be du omo so. Omo ma drop out of school. Aye normal ba asesa. Omo call various forms of troubles ni challenges or how near man because of this mami said the name tamaklo sika owi aye ananka eso de mom. One farm omo owi aye omo nyina omo bra ye kwa. All those people they are not getting justice. Ghana for nyina we are not getting justice yen ye taxes a maame no edua ye de NDC for omakwa akwhye dem omo ne ajage for agyae maame no obi a wabokro no a wagye atum evidence wo ho a wabokro no 70 million ene akiri ene ye gya no because NDC party no e ya kronfo nko a won chendi now you see mo amagyae no mo kan hunu say eda ne duru a you will account for it, you will pay for this.